Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video, I will be telling you about the sea events, guiding you so you don't face any problem. Enough yapping, let's begin our video. Now first question come here, what are sea events? Sea events are things that can spawn while you are sailing a boat in the ocean. Sea events can spawn in the first sea, by the way. There are many times sea events spawn. Some are the sea creature and others are boat and ships. In the second sea, sea events can spawn as long you are sailing decently far from the land in the middle of the ocean. Sea beasts, shark and ships spawn in second sea only. You can find here spawning ships and sea beasts more. There are no more sea events in second sea. After getting far from the land, you have to wait 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes in the ocean. Then sea events will start spawning. Like you can see, I just come and piranhas spawn. All the piranhas are dead now. You just simply have to wait after coming far from the land. Then more sea events will spawn. And why do we do sea events? Because doing sea events, you get a lot of stuff from them, from which you can craft swords like shark anchor. After killing a terror shark, you got a mutant teeth and other things to craft shark anchor, which is a so much good sword for PvP. And mainly, the reason for doing the sea event is money. As you can see, I have a 55 million belly. Sea events give you a lot of belly from which you can roll. So sea events is considered the first way of getting belly fast. Again piranhas are spawned. The people think that sea events spawn in second sea are so much harder, but they're not harder. By simply waiting 2 to 4 minutes, as you can see, the sea events are spawning in second sea. The far from the island, the higher the rate of chances sea events of spawning is. As you can see, now ships have spawned. If your boat dies, so ship also despawn. My boat is so much low health, so the ships will despawn. Now my boat is so much low health. As you can see, After my boat dies, the ship also goes. So you have to kill the ship so much faster before your boat dies. If your boat dies, you simply have to reset then. There is no other chance for spawning sea events. And sea events can only spawn with using the boat. Without using boat, sea events can't spawn. In third sea, there can also be done sea events. You can do sea events in third sea also. And the sea events in second sea are easier, but in sea events in third sea are so much difficulter than the first sea or second sea. And once you go far enough on the ocean, there will be a number at your compass. That number is the danger level zone you are in. Like in my compass, there is danger level 3. There are danger level from 1 to 6. The higher the danger level you are in, there will be the better but more deadly sea events. If you are going to farm sea events, you need to head toward Tiki. There are many types of sea event which are so much rare, like Leviathan Hunt, which spawns so much rarely. You have to grind 4 hours for it, and it spawns so much difficult. As you can see, sea events are start to spawn. The higher the danger level you go, the sea events will spawn much faster and it will be so much difficult to do, like Terror Shark. If you come in danger level 6, there would be so much darker that you need to on fast mode. Bewa- Without fast mode, you can't see anything in danger level 6. As you can see, boat also spawn. And I cannot see even the boats. Their cannons are coming and firing. The sea events in danger level 6 spawn continuously and do not stop. There are a jackpot which is called rumbling water. One sea beast give you 4 lakh, and if you have 2x money you will get 8 lakh money. Like one rumbling water will give you 24 lakh, which will be so much. Like for 1 million belly they will give. As you can see in third sea, the ghost ship spawn. The ships also spawn, but the ghost ship also spawn, which gives you full gold, which is used to make scrolls, legendary scrolls, mythical scrolls. As you can see, a sea beast spawn. Let's kill him. A terror shark also spawn. Now our boat will be destroyed. Due to I have not have shark race, so I am dealing so much damage from the water. Let's kill sea beast first, then kill terror shark. Now I have a weakened V4 and it will deal more damage to sea beast and terror shark. Now let's kill fast sea beast first. Terror is dealing so much damage. Terror Shark is so much difficult to beat. You need two players to defeat him. Or if you have a gun, Dragon Storm, it is too much easier to defeat Terror Shark because with zero stats, it deals so much damage. Now I am V4, so it will deal more damage to the Terror Shark. And now you can see how fast Terror Shark is killing. I see you spamming moves. This is not dealing so much damage. But you will use Dragon Storm, it will deal so much damage to Terror Shark. As you can see how fast he is dying. So let's kill him with the Dragon Storm. I recommend killing Terror Shark with Dragon Storm only because it deals so much high damage. Now Terror Shark is died. That's enough for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. For more videos, if you are enjoying, please comment what the next video you want on.